A good anvil should be strong and durable, long-lasting. It can shape anything, even the future. You shouldn't notice any dents or chips over time. And it should be the perfect size for all the tools you'll be working with.
This NSF award is very important for us, for Purdue. It allowed us to both put in a large capacity system as well as leveraging the latest technology that our vendors were able to provide.
We chose the name Anvil because the imagery of the Boilermaker in Anvil is all over Purdue, and to us it speaks to that Purdue ethos of just getting work done.
Our vendors are Dell and AMD. Anvil uses the latest AMD processor technologies, and we're able to provide both capacity, which is 1 billion CPU hours to the national users a year, and also the latest technologies all coming together.
Our research has shown that the investment in cyber infrastructure on a campus correlates strongly with the productivity of the institution. So having better supercomputing facilities allows us to recruit top faculty, retain top faculty, graduate more graduate students.
I would say the Anvil team has about 24 people, including our designers, system engineers, scientists who are actually working with early users.
It's a dream come true to work on this project, and I have been working in this industry for the last 10 years.
I've used supercomputers for my work in the past, but this has been the first supercomputer that I've been involved in the build process, getting it onboarding.
Purdue has long been a leader in providing supercomputing services to campus, and this award really recognizes our track record with that and allows us to bring those services to the nation as a whole, not just Purdue.
It's primarily for the national community, national researchers, as well as Purdue researchers, and we see this as a perfect opportunity for Purdue to also develop a broad range of partnerships with industry, with other institutions.
In the current early user program, we've actually got 30 user groups who are testing this out, and these users come from different universities across the US. We actually have researchers from around 17 universities, not just Purdue users, so it's been really helpful to particularly people from smaller colleges.
Not only for computer science, it's also actually going to help for all kind of domain science. As I mentioned, high-performance computing has touched almost every single domain in the science and engineering. So definitely, that's going to help us, help Purdue, help the researchers, if they can take advantage of the resource and they can leverage that for their future projects.
The ultimate goal of the Anvil system is to support science, to reduce time to science, to enable a broader range of scientific domains to be able to leverage the latest computing technologies.
Anvil really was designed for several things. The first thing is it's intended to be a capacity system, so it helps democratize the access to high-performance computing resources to a lot of researchers.
Anvil is designed to support both the traditional high-performance computing research as well as the emerging research in artificial intelligence and machine learning.
At Purdue, I've been working with a lot of researchers from non-traditional domains like in the liberal arts, anthropology and archaeology, and they usually don't really get to use supercomputers a whole lot.
together with the experiment, the computation and the data analytics performed on Anvil will enable the discovery that will change the world.
So the reach of Anvil is going to reach far beyond just Purdue's boundaries. Having a system like Anvil available to researchers around the nation is going to allow them to solve problems at scales and on time frames that they never could have achieved before.
This is really the combination of Purdue research computing and also my own career. We have been building campus cyber infrastructures for years, and we were also in the national cyber infrastructure systems for many years, but this is the largest system, the most advanced system that we've ever had.
Versatile.
I would say innovation. I think Anvil is really representing innovation in several different areas.
Accessible. Anvil was designed to make it easier for scientists to be productive more quickly.
Accelerate. Because Anvil is designed to make it easy for people to access supercomputing power with all kinds of tools for interactive computing, cloud computing, and supercomputing all together in one place.
Not all anvils are created the same. Some are worth their weight in gold.